Boys and girls, it's time for our math lesson today. We've been learning about graphs. We've done real graphs, picture graphs, bar graphs, and now we've been practicing tally charts. Today is more work on tally charts and how to make a tally chart. So we're going to start with, on your lesson 10.6, I'm going to do the example at the top. So they have our favorite game as the title for this tally chart. Our favorite game. And then some kids were asked, they did little pictures on the side. I'll just write the words for us. So in our chart here, we're going to have three choices. We're going to have a card game. And then we're going to have puzzle. And the last choice was a board game. So then you can see the chart is made with categories divided up, and we have a place where we're going to put the tallies, and then over here where we're going to put the actual number totals. So for card game, you can see that there were 1, 2, 3, 4, slash for 5. There were 5 kids that chose card game, so we can put the number 5 over here. For puzzles, only 3. 1, 2, 3. So we'll put our total over here of 3. And board games, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is our slash. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. And then we could do some questions. Which game did the most children choose? Well, looking at that, we can tell the most chose 10, so that would be board games. Which did the fewest children choose would be our smallest number, our least amount of tally marks, and that would be puzzles, which is 3. So that would be how to follow the first chart on your page. And if you go on to the next part of the lesson, you can see you're making tally charts for the boats on the lake, and you can use the pictures here. Cross out things as you make their tally marks and write their totals. Down below, you're doing the same thing with the fish in the tank. How many zebrafish, how many angelfish, and then you have some questions to answer to go with your tally chart that you make. On this side, you have a place where you're to ask 10 friends. Well, right now, you can't always do that, so you can just pick out numbers to represent how many for each, and it should be a total of 10. So break the number 10 apart into 3 sections, and you can pick how many kids would pick pretzels, apples, and yogurt, and you have some questions to answer for those. On the back, you're going to talk about favorite subjects in school. Now, they already started with these. It says Jenna asked 10 friends to choose their favorite subject. She'll ask 10 more children. So then you're going to do some predictions, and again, you can pick those numbers to represent 10 more. When you get to your homework part, again, you need to pick numbers adding to 10. Let's do the first one together. So our first one here, we're going to have favorite color. So I'm just going to add this one on the bottom down here. Favorite color. And we're going to pick, there are 2 colors to pick from. We have red and we have blue. So I'm going to pick some numbers to represent 10 friends we might ask this question of. And then we're going to make the tally marks together for this and give the totals over here. So let's say we have 6 friends that chose red. To make the tally marks, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, slash for 5, and then 6. And we'll write the number 6 over here. And then for blue then, I need to only get to 10, so I'm going to catch the number 6 and see how many left I have to get to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need 4 more friends for that one to make 10 total friends that were asked their favorite color between red and blue. So I'll make 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can put 4 over here. Which color did the most friends pick? Would be 6, and that was red. which did the fewest or least would be our 4, and that was blue. We can compare the two numbers, remember, using subtraction. How many more friends chose red than blue? We would start with a bigger number, 6. We'd take away the smaller 4, and we'd find the answer would be 2. 2 more friends chose red than blue, or 2 fewer friends chose, can you move it down a little bit? Chose the blue than the red. And that's how you do that on your homework. And there's a little bit on the back I wanted to help you with.